Hi guys, my name is Mary Benham, or Hard Left Yogi. This is Loki, the yoga mat warmer. So we're doing quick little tutorials to explain different things about yoga, anatomy, and lifestyle, right? So let's talk about your hands. Bam. So when a yoga instructor tells you to spread your fingers, they do not mean, spread my fingers. There's no strength left there. They want you to spread your fingers, I've heard like starfish, or just evenly in between. That way, notice the palm of my hand. I'm not only spreading, but I'm starting to draw the base of my fingers into the palm of my hand so I get this cupping on the mat. That'll help you from sliding. It will elongate your spine anytime your hands are down on the floor. But also, the really important note is there are no muscles in your fingers, right? It's nothing but like little wiring. All the muscle is in here. And so work your palm from this space. Another thing is that we tend to put a lot of weight in this area. If you can focus on putting the weight into this part of your hand without letting the elbow go out, you'll start winning those chaturangas. Hope this helps. Practice it in every pose that you have your hands down. Bye guys.